Hello all, welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use any router as a Wi-Fi repeater. So let's get started. So if you see in my Wi-Fi connection, there is a Wi-Fi with name Appajodu and a Wi-Fi with name D-Link DIR600M. So here for Appajodu Wi-Fi ACT internet is connected, and I am going to make this D-Link as a Wi-Fi repeater to the Appajodu Wi-Fi. So let's connect to the D-Link, and it is not connected to internet, so I'm not able to browse internet with that connection. So I will show you by connecting to the Wi-Fi with name Appajodu. So if you see here, I'm able to browse internet with the Wi-Fi name Appajodu. So this is connected to the internet, but with D-Link, I'm not able to connect to the internet. I want to make this D-Link as a repeater to the Wi-Fi Appajodu. So let's connect to the D-Link. To know the IP configuration of IP address of this D-Link, let's open command prompt and give ipconfig. So here it is showing 192.168.8.1 So copy that into the Chrome browser, and you are able to see that there is a connection between the computer and the router, but it is not connected to the internet. Just click start and just give login. Go to the wireless tab here. So in this page, we are going to change the name of the Wi-Fi, that is SSID, and we are going to add a password security to the Wi-Fi. Here I am naming that D-Link to Appajodu repeater. So let's do it Appajodu 2. Selecting the security option, and I am giving a password here, and I am clicking on apply. So now we changed the name of the Wi-Fi as well as we added security to it. Configuration will get updated in the Wi-Fi, and you will see it is disconnected. The computer is disconnected with the Wi-Fi. Now when you open the Wi-Fi connection, you are able to see a Wi-Fi with the name Appajodu 3. Previously we are seeing D-Link. Now we configured it to Appajodu 3. Now connect to the Appajodu 3. Now the next task is we need to link this Appajodu 3 with Appajodu. So for that, what we need to do is we need to again log into this D-Link, that repeater's wireless page. And go to wireless repeater. So here you click this checkbox and give site survey and click OK. What this will do is it will search for all the nearest available Wi-Fi networks and display their names. So if you see here, there is a source. I want to make this upper joda as a source. If you see here, the signal strength is only 4%. So at the place where I am sitting, so I want to make make a repeater at the place where I am sitting and make it to 100%. So I will check this upper joda and click next. And I will give the password of upper joda Wi-Fi. And here I want to change the IP address of this router to 02 so that I can access both, which is the source as well as the repeater's IP configuration pages simultaneously with the connection to the repeater. So you change this to 2 and give OK. So that's all. It is configured now and it will take some time to reboot. After that, you can see the repeater is connected to the source Wi-Fi, and you are able to access internet through the repeater. So now I'm trying to browse YouTube. Yes, I'm able to access internet through repeater. So with this, like this, you can use any old Wi-Fi router to make it as a repeater and boost the signal strength in your home. I hope it will help you, and if you have any queries or if you have any comments, please comment, and if you like it, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.